Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of Brave. You will go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Brave app and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support